Alright everyone, let's stay confident and present our work clearly.
I was nervous earlier, but I think we're finally ready for this meeting.
Good afternoon. We're excited to see the progress your team has made this month.
Thank you for joining us today. We've prepared a complete overview of the campaign performance.
Over the last few weeks, we've seen steady growth in engagement, conversions, and overall customer interest.
That's great to hear. Can you explain what contributed to those improvements?
Certainly. We focused on better audience targeting, improved ad creatives, and more efficient budget allocation.
That sounds promising. The results are definitely moving in the right direction.
Our team has worked very hard to identify opportunities and make continuous improvements.
We still have more ideas for next month, and we're confident they can deliver even stronger results.
Excellent. We're looking forward to seeing what happens next. Before we finish, I'd like to request one additional report by the end of today.
By the end of today?
That's a very tight deadline.
I understand, but the information is needed for tomorrow's board meeting.
We'll do our best to prepare everything before the deadline.
What exactly needs to be included in the report?
Campaign performance, audience insights, and future recommendations.
That's a lot of information, but we'll start working on it immediately.
Thank you. We appreciate the extra effort.
Alright team, let's get back to work and make it happen.
I thought the hardest part of today was already over.
Apparently, the day had one more challenge waiting for us.
Honestly, I don't even have the energy to complain anymore.
That's probably because you've already used all your energy this morning.
You're not wrong. Today has felt like 3 different workdays combined into one.
Let's divide the work and finish it as quickly as possible.
I'll work on audience insights and customer behavior trends.
Then I'll prepare the recommendations and final summary.
Perfect. If we stay focused, we can still finish before the deadline. And done! I can't believe we actually finished everything.
The report has been sent successfully.
That's probably the best news I've heard all day.
Excellent work, everyone. The client has already acknowledged receiving the report.
That's a huge relief.
I know today was difficult, but your teamwork made a big difference.
We definitely couldn't have done it alone.
Days like this remind me why teamwork is so important.
I completely agree. We handled every challenge together and kept moving forward.
So, how would you describe today in one word?
Exhausting.
Only one word? I can think of at least 10 more.
Stressful, chaotic, challenging, unpredictable, and unbelievably long.
That sounds much more accurate.
But honestly, despite all the problems, I'm proud of what we accomplished today.
That's the right attitude. Difficult days often teach us the most valuable lessons.
And tomorrow will hopefully be much easier.
Let's not make any promises. After today, I feel like anything can happen.
Good work today, everyone. Get some rest, and we'll start fresh tomorrow.